In this video, let's talk about the 2023 Land Rover Defender wheel spacers. Let's go. The 2023 Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can be seen as an extension of the hub assembly. The mounting surface is closer to the inside of wheel, while the back spacing rear wheel is reduced with the 2023 Land Rover Defender wheel spacers installed. When we want to keep the stock wheels and extend the wheels outward for more grip and stability on the road, 2023 Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can capable of this. If you are considering installing suitable wheel spacers for your 2023 Defender, maybe you can try these Bonus Forge FD Cooling wheel spacers. The special design of this Bonus FD Cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back, because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency continuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FD cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. For over 10 years, Bonus has built customized wheel spacers and adapters to strict specifications. With the combination of premium materials, advanced techniques, and precise machinery, Bonus produces and guarantees superior product. We build spacers and adapters in 3mm to 160mm. Customized wheel spacers and adapters are our specialties here at the Bonus factory. If you want to get the Bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.